we only can find the great flower or animal just only in Borneo Island. So here I will play four characters. I will play the king, the youngest, sister, and old man or grandfather. So let's start to the story. Once upon a time, there was a kingdom located in Ruai mountain and Ruai mountain. And the king has seven daughters, and the sixth daughter are lazy and arrogant, but the youngest has a humble and kind person. And one day, the king went to another kingdom in another country. My daughter, I will go to another kingdom in another country. I will come home in this afternoon, and I hope you take care of each other and you are good in the palace. And the empire of the six sisters has also taken out when the king left, and the sisters order and beat the youngest. Youngest, quickly clean the palace. Yes, sister, I will clean the palace. I have to clean the palace, so my sister will help me with it, and I will help you make sure everything is clean and everything is okay. And after that, and in this afternoon, the king come to home and see the face of the youngest, and she asked to the youngest, "What's wrong with your face?" "Nothing, Dad. I just fell down from the stairs." "Are you sure about that?" "Yes, sir. Yes, Dad. I sure about it. Don't afraid of that." And one day, the king went to another kingdom in another country for a long time, and the king said, "My daughter, I will go to another kingdom in another country. I hope you'll take care of each other, and first I will give to the youngest, and obey the youngest carefully." And after hearing that, the sister became jealous more and more to the youngest, and they have a bad planning for the youngest. "I know the capital ends in under Ruai mountain. How if we take the youngest into the cave, and the cave has a river full of fish?" And after they planned that, they took the youngest into the cave, and without suspicion anything, the youngest followed them into the cave. "Youngest, you can enter into the cave to catch the fish, and later we will catch up the fish with you later." "Yes, my sister, I will go first." And the youngest walked into the cave and farther, and she realized if her sister have this is the bad trick from her sister, and she cried. What's wrong with I did? What's wrong with me until my sister had me like this? What's my fault?" And the youngest is crying and crying. And on the seventh day, cave. What's wrong with your youngest? What happened with you? And the youngest told everything to the old man, and because the feeling of the poor, the old man helped the youngest. I will help you. I will help you to go out from the cave. And from now, your tears will become the eggs, and your hands become the wings. And you will become the beautiful, beautiful bird. And I will name you Ruai bird. And after that, the youngest become the beautiful bird, and she fly into the palace. And she saw if the king or her father give the punishment for her sister. And that's my story about the legend of Ruai. And the moral value for my story is never have bad attitude of each other, and never have a bad planning for each other, because we never know what happened with us. If we have a bad, we can change our bad attitude to each other. So that's my story. Thank you for your attention.